So, today I'm going to the supermarket to buy some lunch and also for my dinner later. And yeah, let's just go. Hi, Jolly. Oh, he says hi. And this is what I look like today. The supermarket is just around the corner. But of course, like, I can't really go into my pambahays, you know? It's not like I'm in the Philippines. So, pag nagchinelas ako, magmumukha akong pangate. Pero hindi pa kasi ganun kainit. So, kailangan naka-jacket ka, naka-pants. So, it's not advisable to wear your flip-flops outside. So, let's go. I still need to grab my bag. Bag is very necessary. And aside from the bag, we also need to get some plastic bags from here. I'm still thinking if I should bike today or just walk. Maybe I'll just go by bike. So, naisipan ko maglakad na lang kasi para mas ma-tour ko kayo dito sa neighborhood namin. Pa nag-bike ako kasi sobrang bilis. It's like only 3 minutes nandun na tayo sa supermarket. So, maglalakad na lang tayo. We're walking through a little pathway in here. Medyo, yeah, maraming trees. Diba, sobrang refreshing kasi maraming puno. Sobrang presko. So the temperature for today is, it's not that hot. And it's not that cold too. So, maano naman siya. Yun nga, presko. Hindi sobrang init. Kaya masarap maglakad. Pero feeling ko around June, ayan, iinit na mag-start ng uminit. So, ayun, I'm not really looking forward to it. Ayan. This is the park, and this is actually next to a school, and I don't want to film them because they're kids. So, I'm just showing you around the park. So, kung naririnig nyo, may mga batang sumisigaw. Ay, hindi mga bata. Ang iingay nila. Ayan, we're climbing up the hill. Charot. Kunyaring may bundok. Ingat-ingat lang tayo sa mga tae kasi may mga tae dito. For sure. Yung iba kasi, they're very irresponsible. Hindi nila pinupulot yung mga tae ng mga aso nila. So, minsan, nakaka-jackpot tayo. And ayaw nating maka-jackpot today. Their eggplant looks so different in here. It looks really fat compared to our eggplant. This is too fat. Can you fucking believe it? 7 euros for mama? This is my favorite noodles. But 7 euros? Fuck, should I get it? I don't know. Hindi ko na na-videoan yung sarili ko sa self-checkout kasi ang dami nakapila. Nahihiya ako. Okay, medyo nararamdaman ko na yung init, guys. Kasi, syempre naglalakad ako, tapos naka-jacket ako. So, ayan, medyo umiinit na siya. Sino ka dyan? kaya naman maglakad. Yun naman kailangan mag-bike lagi. So, siguro mga 15 minutes na lakad. Feeling ko healthy naman siya. So, madalas na lang ako naglalakad kapag hindi masyadong madami yung groceries na kailangan kong bilhin. Kasi ngayon ang binili ko lang is talong, isda, tapos itlog, tsaka konting noodles, tsaka yung luncheon meat. Ay, papawisan na ako. Yan. Ito yung daan papunta sa amin. Bike. Oh, kakahingal. Andito na tayo ulit. Double lock lang natin para walang ibang makapasok. Hi, Cherry! Ito lang naman yung mga pinamili ko. Yan, mama. Akala ko kasi 7 euros siya. Yung pala, 99 cents lang. And then, yan, itlog, luncheon meat, tsaka talong na mataba. And, yeah, isda. So, the question is, how much did I pay for all of this? Ito lang, itong mga to. So, nagbayad ako ng 12 euros for just this. Diba? Pagkamahal-mahal na, guys. Grabe. Ilang piraso lang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces, 12 euros na. Diyos ko, Lord. Anyway, magluluto na ako ng aking lunch. Di pa kasi ako nagla-lunch. Anong oras na? 1:00 na ata. Yeah, yun lang. And thank you sa pagsama sa akin papuntang grocery store. And see you again next time. Bye!